Hello traders, in this video we want to look at the local trade copier for MT4 and MT5. Okay, we're going to head right to the MQL5 marketplace because this copier is for sale. All right, we can see it's currently priced at 55 US dollars on the MQL5 marketplace. However, there is a free demo for us to test. Okay, if you are interested in this, you can feel free to come over to the MQL5 marketplace. You can look out for the MT5 version. You can also check the MT5 full version for both local and remote. And there is also the MT4 full version for local and remote. All right, but now let's just test the free demo on our MT4 strategy tester. All right, so I'm not exactly sure what features are going to be made accessible for us. Okay, but it's just to better understand this indicator, in case if you were willing to make the necessary financial commitment. Okay, as we can see, it's actually an expert advisor, so we have to make sure that our auto trading is turned on, and then we're just going to drag and drop. All right, now we're going to click on test, and as you can see, the demo version can only be run on the strategy tester. Okay, so the period, we're going to just use this period. We're going to use this symbol. You can actually modify those. You can change the symbol you want to use, the period, even the spread, if you want to use current or any of these. All right, now let's just click on start without wasting much time. Okay, now while we wait for whatever is going to be displayed to be displayed, you should know that the trade copier ideally is designed for copying trades between accounts. All right, the local trade copier is designed for copying trades between accounts in the local mode. All right, in the local mode, as we can see, this is local copy. All right, this is the local trade copier, this is local copy, right? So you can copy trades between accounts in the local mode. It allows for fast order replication from a master account to a slave account. So you need to have a master account and you have to have a slave account. All right, the master account is the account where you execute the trade, and the slave account is the one where the trade is reflected to. All right, the trades that you execute on the master account will now be reflected on the slave account. Okay, so in local mode, trades are copied instantly, while in remote mode, the copying process takes less than 1 second. Okay, so that is the information that we have available on the MQL5 marketplace, as we can see. All right, so this is it, guys. And as you can see, it supports order modifications, pending orders, and trailing stop. You can even reverse trades or adjust the order size on the slave account. All right, you can also go through the features: maximum daily and overall profit loss management, advanced news filter, manual copy mode, cross-platform support. You can actually copy trades from MT4 to both MT4 and MT5 accounts, right? And then you have unlimited slaves, no restrictions on the number of slave accounts. So even if you want to copy trades to multiple accounts from your master account, you can do that according to this, right? And then we can see the high-speed execution, the full trade mirroring, and we have the secure and reliable feature as well. Okay, so guys, if you have any interest in this expert advice, so feel free to head over to the MQL5 marketplace and read more about it, learn more about it. And if you're comfortable with what you see, you can actually proceed to make the financial commitment. Okay, if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Happy trading.